Hey everybody out there, this is Alan Cofield with Boise Premier Real Estate. How you all doing today? Listen, I am doing great. The weather is awesome today. We had some great, it's probably about 45 degrees and it's just gorgeous out right now. We have some sunshine, it's a clear sky as you can see. Um, but I'm out in the neighborhood right now just doing a quick tour and thought I'd just break out the camera and let you know, hey, I have a Boise relocation guide that can definitely be of help to you, especially if you're trying to move here and learn more about the areas that are best to move to. So I'd like to just give you a little bit more of what I do. I take video photography of some of the areas along with drone photography to help you understand a little bit more about the area. And if you're interested in having a realtor that works to that level and you haven't been here or you don't understand an area, you know, I'm your guy. I'd love to be able to help you today. My phone number is 208 908 1777. And then you can go to my website as well and get this relocation guide. And that can be found at gotidahorealestate.com. And that's GOT, idahorealestate.com. And if you found this through an ad, then you probably have a link directly to where you need to go. So look forward to working with you and give you some opportunities that we have here that people are just loving. And we have lots of people moving here for a reason. So I look forward to working with you. And guys, my name is Alan Cofield. I'm going to sign off now. Have a great day. We'll talk to you soon.